In this brief video, we will be discussing tandem assembly of your Biro 548 manual feed grinder and AFMG 24 automatic feed mixer grinder. The necessary options required for tandem operation of these machines include an inlet tube seal, discharge horn, and a connecting bracket. This AFMG 24 is equipped with a right-hand 90-degree straight inlet. Typically a first grind breaker plate, usually 3/8 inch, would be used to break down the muscle. Then a second grind finish plate, usually 1/8 inch, would be used to finish the process. The tandem operation does this in one step. Turn off and unplug both Model 548 and AFMG 24. Perform lockout/tagout procedures prior to tandem operation assembly. The AFMG 24 and 548 should be adjusted so the center of the inlet tube and bowl is approximately 31 inches from the floor. These heights are needed for the tandem operation. After the proper heights are achieved, remove the lock knobs, outer disc, and side entrance seal. Clean the tube if needed and store parts for later use. The inlet tube seal can now be installed. Make sure it is fully seated. Bolt the connecting angle to the inlet tube. Remove the end ring from the 548 and insert the discharge horn into the end ring. Install your match set of first grind 3/8 inch plate and knife. Knife first, then plate. Reinstall end ring with discharge horn. Hand tighten only. Roll AFMG 24 so discharge horn engages the inlet tube seal and is stopped by the internal tube fins. With the seal clamp in place, install the connecting bracket over the first grind 548 ring. Slide connecting bracket rod into the connecting angle. Install the lock knob and tighten. Finally, tighten the seal bracket lock knob to tighten against the seal. Lock front casters on AFMG 24. Confirm second grind match 1/8 inch plate and knife. Hand tighten end ring. Remove lockout/tagout procedures and plug machines in prior to using your tandem setup. Some important things to remember. Only install on level, non-skid surface in a clean, well-lighted work area away from children and visitors. Always lock machine casters after moving machines. Always turn off unplug machine from power source and perform lockout/tagout procedures to these machines before attempting to unjam, unclog, cleaning, or servicing. Hand tighten ring only. Never grind frozen products. Refer to your operating and service manual with any questions.